My name is Gabe, and I am turning 1 year old tomorrow. Every morning at 5:40, I wake up to go on a walk with my mommy. I love to take walks. When I get home from my walk, I eat my breakfast. Okay. Then my mommy leaves the house for a while, so I have the whole house to myself. When she is gone, I like to take naps. I like to eat food off the kitchen counter. I like to steal and chew my mommy's headbands. And I like to bark at everything. Soon, my mommy comes home. When she comes through the door, I like to greet her with lots of hugs and lots of kisses, because I know she missed me. Mommy and I go outside to play together. Outside, I like to play games. I like to chase squirrels up in their trees. And sometimes I even like to jump on the trampoline.
Sit.
I also like to do tricks for food.
Shake and bang.
Yummy treats. Pretty soon, it gets dark, so I go on another walk before I eat dinner. When I come back, I eat my yummy dinner. Soon it's time for bed, so I get in my bed, give my mommy some kisses, eat a cookie, and go to sleep. Good night! Happy birthday, Gaby, baby! He's 1 year old. Give me kisses! Yay! The one! Thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you for all the support and the love. And Gabe is leaving me. Alright, love you guys.
So these are our finalists. Rihanna, strike a pose, and Tina, strike a pose.